Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Big Lake, Louisiana. Out here crabbing today. Want to catch some crabs. Probably the only thing better than a crawfish ball or equal to is a crab ball. I'm gonna catch some crabs out here today. I'm out here with the Bourgeois brothers, trying to catch us some crabs. Stay tuned, baby. We coming.
Mon two-step, see my fat, mon two-step, you do some. See my fat, mon two-step, see my fat, mon two-step, you do some. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, see my fat, mon two-step. Zydeco one time. See my fat, mon two-step. See my fat, mon two-step. You do some. See my fat.
All right. What you see right here, Jim's left. That's a balling crab. That's right. That's the one we want to ball. The one on his right, gumbo crab. That's right. The little bit we like to put in the gumbo. But tonight, they're all balling crabs.
See my fat, mon two-step. See my fat, mon two-step. You do some. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah.
Right, y'all. All the crabbing is done. Get a shot up right here. So what we caught today, we got our limit. We got our 5 dozen. Now we're about to drop them in the pot, cook them up for you. All right, what we got right here, we got some lemons, we got some oranges, we got some crab ball, and some liquid crab ball. And that's all we're gonna use today to ball our crabs. And we have a little swamp dust. What's our swamp dust? Swamp dust is in the back. We're gonna dust that. Once the crabs come out, we get them in the ice chest, we're gonna dust those crabs up for the final say-so right there. Promise you, you're gonna love them right here. So we'll get these things cut up.
That's on Zona.
All right. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take this right here and we're just gonna dump it. Right on top of our crabs. And then we're gonna take our liquid crab ball right here. We'll put about a half. Get that started. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna get this fire started in just a second. We'll get that water ball and get it cranked up, ready to go. We're gonna dump our crabs in there in just a second. Let me show you what happened today. Careful when you go to Big Lake. Their docks ain't the most secure docks. Stepped my big fat self right on the dock. Boys broke. Fell right through the damn dock. I'm still here, baby. I'm still here cooking for you. Because that's what we do over here in South Louisiana. All right. Now that we got our fire lit, hopefully you can hear me a little bit better. Once this water gets boiling right here, we're gonna dump about half of this right here in there to get our stuff nice and seasoned, nice and spicy. You know I like to come with the seasoning, right? To season our stuff real well. This is what we have. I like the Zydeco, and of course I like the extra spicy. That's right. All right, we're gonna let our water get boiling, and we're gonna dump this in there in just a sec. Looks like our pot's smoking. Looks like we're ready to go. Time to add our crab ball in there. Come with it. That should do it. We'll let this get rolled. Right, y'all? Over the truth. All right. You ready to eat? Our crabs have been boiling for 7 minutes. I wanted to let you know that earlier, but it was making so much noise that I figured I'd wait till the end. So we let these boil for 7 minutes. And here's what we look like. Inside. Ready, bro? Put a little extra season on there. On my main man Jim right there.
Swamp Dutch is the best.
Some swamp Dutch. Shake him up. Want to check him out? Look at that, how gorgeous. All right. You ever wonder why when you boil crabs and you put them in there and they blue, but when you finish cooking them and you take them out, they red? It's actually because crabs have a biochemical inside of them that when you mix with heat, they turn from blue to red. Now, it's a fancy letter. It starts with an A. I wish I knew how to pronounce it. I don't. I'm not that educated. But if you ever wonder why we went from blue to red, now you know. Biochemical in the crab. Mixed with the heat, turns them red every time. Stick with Captain Cobb. I might learn you something one day. All right, y'all. Got us a couple of boiling crabs right here. We're about to get with it. Since Captain Cobb is off, there's only one thing better with these boiled crabs. It's boiled crabs with an ice cold beer. I'll catch y'all next time.